Good morning. Today we'll start with the second last topic of this chapter, that is regulation of respirations. Now, in human beings, we know that ability to maintain and regulate the respiration rhythm to suit the demands of the body. So respiratory rhythm is carried out in such a way that the body's requirements should be met, and this is done by the neural system. Again, brain and the neural system control various activities of the respiratory system. A specialized center present in the medulla region of the brain, that is called as the respiratory rhythm center. It is present in the medulla region of the brain, which is called as the respiratory rhythm center. And this center is responsible for this regulation, and another center that is present in the pons region. This is the pons region, and in this region there's another center that is present which is called as pneumotaxic center, and it can moderate the functions of the respiratory rhythm center. So neural signals, so in the medulla and the pons we find that these two centers are there. So the neural signals from this center can reduce the duration of the inspiration, and thereby it can also alter the respiratory rate. So chemosensitive area is situated adjacent to the rhythm center. So adjacent to the rhythm center there is a chemotaxic area and chemosensitive area, and it is situated adjacent to the rhythm center. It is highly sensitive to carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions. So increase in these substances activate the center, which in turn can send signals to the rhythm center to make necessary adjustments in the respiratory process by which these substances can be released. And the receptors associated with the receptors they are there which are associated with the aortic arc of the heart and the carotid artery. They also recognize changes in the carbon dioxide and the hydrogen ion concentration and send necessary signals to the rhythm center so that any remedial action that can be taken. So the role of the oxygen in the regulation of respiratory rhythm is not very significant, whereas the carbon dioxide role is more significant, and of the hydrogen ion concentration, which helps in sending these signals to the neural center for making changes for the necessary actions. So this is how regulation of respiration happens. It is controlled by the brain, medulla and pons centers, pneumotaxic centers and respiratory rhythm centers. They are generally responsible for regulating the rhythm of the respiratory system. Thank you for today.